Herbal steamed chicken thigh recipe. It's easy to make this at home. Let's get started. Boneless chicken thigh. Chicken chop. Rub salt onto the chicken. Flip and rub the salt onto the other side. Herbs. Red date. Ginseng root. Codonopsis root. Shen. Angelica Sinensis. Quai. Goji berries. Wash the herbs and put onto the chicken. Cut red dates into smaller pieces. Put the rest of the herbs onto the chicken. Put into a steamer. Steam high for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of steaming, poke to check if the chicken is tender. The herbal chicken is ready to serve. Herbal steamed chicken thigh. Smells good. Nutritious. Super delicious. Ingredients: chicken thigh, red date, ginseng root, Codonopsis root, Angelica Sinensis, goji berries.
Yummy!